Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
I will show 3 quick ways to change zoom in Excel right now. Use the status bar slider at the bottom right to drag and set quick zoom levels. You can jump to common sizes like 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, or 200% instantly. Press Alt, then W, then Q to open the zoom dialog for precise entry. Type a number such as 110% and press Enter to apply. Hold Ctrl and roll the mouse wheel for small, smooth zoom adjustments. Select the cells you want emphasized before changing zoom to focus on that area. Choose the View tab and click Zoom, then select Zoom to Selection to fit the chosen cells to the window. Excel calculates a percent and shows it in the Zoom dialog, for example 138% if that fits best. This method is ideal when you want a range to fill the screen for review or presentation. Use Zoom to Selection before printing to preview how the selection will appear on paper. For precise keyboard control, press Alt, then W, then Q to open the Zoom dialog quickly. Type a percent such as 110% or 75% and press Enter to set an exact zoom level. Use the Control key plus the mouse wheel to make fine-grained changes smoothly and without opening menus. If you need a quick reset, open Zoom and click the 100% button to return to standard view size instantly. Combine these methods to work fast and keep your worksheet readable during.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.